Welcome to this training session on installing and evaluating rivets. Solid shank rivets are commonly installed by bucking or squeezing. Bucking involves holding a bucking bar firmly against the shank of the rivet while the rivet gun is applied to the manufactured head. The proper use of both the bucking bar and the rivet gun is required for correct installation. Make sure the bucking bar is the proper weight and you have selected the right set, in dark red, for the rivet head. Bucking can be done with a power tool, as just seen. Bucking can also be done with hand tools. When using this method, use a draw tool and a cupped bucking bar. Do not hammer directly on the rivet shank. When hand bucking, a special handset piece that fits over the shank can be used to draw materials tighter together before actually deforming the shop head. Like bucking, squeezing can be done using power tools or hand tools. A hand squeezer is shown, which resembles a C-clamp that goes over the edge of a piece. Some power squeezers will actually punch holes and drive the rivet. Installing solid shank rivets properly requires some degree of skill, especially when using the bucking method. To improve your success, you should know how to evaluate your work and assess what needs to be done to correct problems. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.